Hey my lovely little readers, it's your Miss Day this side. I hope you guys are doing super duper good, eating healthy, staying healthy and reading your favorite books. So today we are going to talk about water conservation. Do you know what is water conservation? It means saving water. Water is a necessary resource. We cannot stay without water. But then we keep on wasting water on a daily basis. Can you tell me how do we waste water? I will tell you. So when we brush our teeth in the morning, we always keep the tap open. Do you keep the tap open? And when we keep the tap open, the water keeps on falling down while we are brushing our teeth. And then what happens is that we are wasting water. We should always keep the tap closed when we are brushing our teeth. And then once we are done brushing, we can always open the tap and wash our mouth. So this is one of the way we can save water. So in today's read aloud, we are going to know many more ways of saving water. Yes, many more ways. So today we are going to read this book, Why Should I Save Water? Yes? Can you ask this question to yourself? Why should you save water? We will find all the answers to our questions in this lovely book. This book is illustrated by Mike Gordon and written by Jen Green. So let's dive into the book and let's get started. In my family, we all try to save water. We used to waste a lot of water until water rationing rules came into effect. Before water rationing, we all wasted water. We took baths every day. We always left the faucets running while we did the dishes or when we brushed our teeth. One day, I was cleaning my bike when Kirsty from next door came over. I said, "Hi Kirsty." "Don't you know there are rules against using hoses?" said Kirsty. "But there's plenty of water," I said. Kirsty said that it hadn't rained much lately, so now everybody has to save water. Kirsty said that if everyone wasted water, there would be none left. She said, "Guess what will happen if everyone wastes water every day? The water will run out, so there will be none left for our gardens or in the rivers or ponds, and there would be none left to have fun with. We would all get very thirsty. People need water to live. Animals need water to live too. And what if the whole country ran out of water? There would be no water to wash with when we got dirty. And some animals would be really unhappy too." "Oh no, that sounds terrible. So how can we save water?" Kirsty said there are many ways to save water. Showers are great and they use less water than a bath. If we put a brick in the toilet, it will use less water when we flush. It's easy to turn the faucet off while we brush our teeth. And we can save lots of water by doing full loads of laundry. Kirsty was right. There are so many ways of saving water. I thought of another good way to save water. "Mom, let's collect rainwater for the garden." And sometimes I have to remind other people to save water. "Turn the faucet off, Dad." Now my family uses less water. It's good to know that we are doing something to help the environment. And using less water means there's enough for everyone. So my dear superhumans, the next time you see Papa washing the car with a hose, you have to run immediately to him and ask him to use a bucket of water instead of using the hose. That way we can save water. The next time you see Mama doing the laundry, you can go to her and ask her to do full load of laundry instead of a single or a double cloth. And what are you going to do the next time you are going for your brushing? I mean tomorrow morning? You are going to close the tap while you are brushing, and the moment you are done brushing, you can open the tap and rinse your mouth. We should all do our bit to save our natural resource. Water is a very important natural resource. Tell me something, what do we do first thing in the morning? We go and drink a glass of hot water. So water is very important for our body and for our existence. If you guys like the read aloud, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you want a copy of the book, you can check the description box below. I will see you guys in my next read aloud super duper soon. Till then, take care. Bye.